Good morning students, welcome to Autharity's Commerce and Finance Coaching. Today we learn our next part of quality management, that is ISO 14000. So let's see what is ISO 14000. See here ISO 14001 and 2004, that is Certificate Environmental Management System. This is ISO 14000 certification which is generally made for established for environmental management system. So let's see definition. ISO 14000 is a family of standard related to environmental management that exists to help organization. So it helps to minimize the operations like negatively affect the environment, comply with the applicable law, regulations and other environmentally oriented requirements, even continue improve in the above process. So ISO 14000 series of standard was established first in 1966. So it is basic aim is to provide all industries with a structure of an environmental management. So it help it confirm that all operational process are consist and attain this environmental objective strictly for their firm. ISO 14000 include 20 standard which consist of environmental labeling and evaluate life cycle of product. So it have some basic principles like formulate an environment policy committee itself to environmental management process. Even it helps to prepare and keep ready plan to achieve its environmental global. It's develop the capability and support mechanism to achieve the environmental policy and objective. It evaluate the company's environmental performance. So ISO 14000 does not need third party registrations all over the world. It provide a common approach to environmental management. So it is included management system, operations, environmental related systems, etc. So let's see the next. Some silent features of ISO 14000 is included here, that most important international standard setting non-governmental organizations. ISO 14000, the World Federation of 123 countries of national standard bodies. It developed consensus of best international standards. It's developed the standards through 200 technical committees split into 650 subcommittee and 200 working groups. Oh my god, it's too much. It's very much needed for all industrial area. So all of its standards are voluntary in nature. Generally ISO 9000 is a series of quality certification, but ISO 14000 is a certification of environmental management system, and in India presently it has about 5000 ISO 9000 companies. So it's a good to listen that in India there are so many companies are adopted ISO certification. So what is ISO 14000? In general terms, it's known as an environmental management. It minimizes the harmful effect on the environmental caused by its activity and achieve continued improvement for develop environmental performance. It is applicable to all business organizations regardless of their size, location or income, etc. So these are the ISO 14000. Here is the certificate of ISO 14000. These kinds of certification is provided by this company where the company's name and address mentioned here. Even quality management system ISO 9001 2015 are mentioned here. These all things are included in the certification of quality control certification, because ISO 9000, ISO 14000, these are the parts of our quality management. So these all are a symbol are given here. So I hope students you know very well the importance of ISO 14000. So let's see the ISO 14000 a basic area of consideration. The first one is commitment to continuous improvement of ISO 14000. First one is emission of air, means those chemical companies should have emit their air which is given a limit of ISO 14000. Okay, even local environmental and community issues are included here. Use of basic material and natural resources for their production process. Even degrading of land, means we should have to take care of our degrading of our land, even we should have a waste management properly, even release to water properly. So these are the basic area of consideration of our ISO 14000. So I hope you enjoy and you know the importance of ISO 14000 here. Stay home, stay safe. Please share, subscribe my channel. Thank you, students.